Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Stylepedia. In today's video, we talk about zero makeup look. Zero makeup is so much trendy in nowadays. Every celebrity of Pakistan and India love these type of makeup look. It's a simple minimal makeup look that can be created quickly and with just a few products. So how we created the look of no makeup look, or you can zero makeup look. First of all, you apply your base coat in your skin, while the lip and cheek tint can be applied to bare skin. It can also be layered over light-weighted complexion products. And the second one is blend the tint into your cheeks. To create the appearance of plump, glowing cheeks, apply a little amount of your favorite shade of the tint to the apples of your cheeks and blend upward towards your temples using your fingers or a brush in tapping motion. If you want to amplify the color, let the first layer sit for about 2 minutes and then add an additional layer. The third one is tap into your eyelid. Apply some of the tint into your fingertips and tap the color into your bare eyelids. Finish off your eyes with a coat of mascara and now apply the tint in your lip. Using your finger, tap the product into the center of your lips and blend outward. But before you outline your lips, it will create a gorgeous sustained look. If you prefer a more glossy look, then you can easily add on a gloss. And at the last, embrace your natural brows. So I hope that you understand all my steps regarding zero makeup look. So I hope that you like my all the entire video and all my tips regarding zero makeup look. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel and like my video and press the bell icon for updating my more videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.